All right, our lesson part 2. So the data set is presented here. So 23, 15, 5, 8, 10, 18, and 10. We're going to put this data in order from least to greatest. So first, let's put it in order. Let's see. We have a 5, 8, let's see, a 10, another 10, 15, 18, and 23. All right, now next part, what we're going to do, we are going to find the median of this. So we're going to find the middle. So if I find the middle, so we have the middle is 10. So the middle is 10. Now, I'm going to put that 10 there. Now, you can put this line through the middle of 10. You can take that line and put it through 10. Now, we're going to find the median of the upper part and the median of the lower part. So, we have our lower part here and our upper part here. The median, luckily for us, the middle of 5 to 10 is 8. And then the middle here is 18. Now, we are going to notice that the median of the lower set for quartile 1 is going to be 8. And the upper set, the median is 18. So all we're doing is finding the median a lot. Then we're going to take quartile 3, 18, and we're going to subtract 8. Guess what we get? We get 10. So our inner quartile range is 10. Now, again, I know that's a little bit tricky, but I do want to go into lesson part 3 here to show you what we're actually finding. So the median of all of the numbers was the middle. The median was the middle. Look at that. The median was the middle. And then we found the median from here to here, which is quartile 3. It's going to be called quartile 3. So this median, quartile 3. Then we find the median, the middle one, or of the lower one, which is quartile 1. Look at that. The median there. So now we have a new set of data here, and this is plotted. This is called, well, we're going to find the interquartile range, and we're going to take the quartile 3, and we're going to subtract quartile 1. So we're going to find the interquartile range of this box and whiskers plot, because there's boxes, and these things, they call them whiskers. They attach the maximum number and the minimum number, the biggest number and the smallest number. So all that we have to do is take a look. Quartile 3 is 8. Quartile 1 is 4. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to do 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. So our interquartile range is 4. And that is it for the lessons. Great job.